History is a vast tapestry woven with threads of triumph and tragedy, innovation and exploration. One such chapter, the Age of Exploration, forever altered our understanding of the planet. Imagine a time when the Earth seemed boundless, ripe for discovery. Before the 15th century, Europe's knowledge of the world was limited. Vast oceans, uncharted and teeming with unknown creatures, stood as barriers to distant lands. Whispers of exotic cultures and fabled riches ignited the imaginations of adventurers and scholars alike. These voyages were driven by economic ambition, religious zeal, and a thirst for knowledge. The Age of Exploration was a testament to human curiosity, our desire to push beyond the horizon. The allure of the East, with its fragrant spices and exotic goods, was a powerful motivator for European exploration. Pepper, cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg were luxury items, prized for their flavor and medicinal properties. Control over the spice trade meant control over wealth and power, and for centuries that control lay in the hands of Arab and Venetian merchants. The desire to break this monopoly, to find a direct sea route to the Spice Islands, became a driving force behind the Age of Exploration. This quest for spices fueled technological innovation. Ships grew larger, more maneuverable, equipped with new navigational tools like the astrolabe and the compass. The insatiable appetite for spices set in motion a global transformation. Among the many explorers who ventured into the unknown, a few names stand out as true pioneers of a new age of exploration. These individuals dared to dream beyond the horizon and charted courses that would change the world forever. Christopher Columbus, driven by his unwavering belief that the world was round, set sail westward in 1492. His goal was to find a shorter route to Asia, but instead he stumbled upon the Americas, forever altering the course of history. Vasco da Gama, a determined Portuguese explorer, achieved what Columbus had set out to do. In 1498, he successfully navigated around the treacherous southern tip of Africa and reached the shores of India. This monumental achievement opened up a direct sea route to Asia, challenging the Venetian monopoly on the lucrative spice trade. Ferdinand Magellan embarked on an ambitious circumnavigation of the globe in 1519. Though Magellan perished in the Philippines, his expedition bravely completed the journey, providing undeniable proof that the Earth was round. These intrepid explorers forever changed the course of history, leaving a legacy of discovery and adventure that continues to inspire us today. The Age of Exploration was not for the faint of heart. These voyages were fraught with danger, pushing the limits of human endurance. Disease was a constant threat, with scurvy, dysentery, and malaria claiming many lives. Supplies were limited, and the journey could take months, even years. Navigation was a constant challenge, with accurate maps scarce. Explorers relied on their wits, courage, and sometimes luck to navigate treacherous waters. Communication with those left behind was virtually impossible. Yet despite these hardships, explorers pressed on, driven by a desire to map the world and discover new lands. The Age of Exploration left an indelible mark on the world, a legacy of both progress and exploitation. This period, spanning from the 15th to the 17th century, saw European powers venturing into uncharted territories, driven by the thirst for knowledge, wealth, and power. It ushered in an era of global trade, connecting distant continents and fostering cultural exchange. The establishment of trade routes allowed for the movement of goods, ideas, and people across vast distances. New foods, plants, and animals were introduced to Europe, transforming agriculture. Crops like potatoes, tomatoes, and maize became staples, revolutionizing diets and farming practices. The exchange of knowledge was equally profound. Scholars gained access to ancient texts and new scientific ideas, leading to advancements in various fields. European scholars gained new insights into astronomy, mathematics, and navigation. These discoveries paved the way for future explorations and scientific breakthroughs. However, the legacy of this era is also marred by colonialism, slavery, and disease. The exploitation of indigenous peoples and resources had devastating consequences. The arrival of Europeans in the Americas led to conquest, enslavement, and the decimation of indigenous populations. Entire cultures were disrupted and many lives were lost. The transatlantic slave trade became a shameful chapter in human history. millions of Africans were forcibly taken from their homes and subjected to inhumane conditions. The age of exploration serves as a reminder of the importance of ethical considerations in our pursuit of knowledge. It highlights the need to balance curiosity and ambition with respect for human dignity and cultural diversity. The spirit of exploration did not end with the age of exploration. It is a timeless endeavor that continues to inspire humanity. It continues to drive us to push the boundaries of knowledge and explore new frontiers, just as it did centuries ago. Today, our explorations may take us into the vast expanse of space, where we seek to understand the universe and our place within it. We send robotic probes to distant planets, searching for signs of life and clues about the origins of our solar system. We delve into the depths of our oceans, uncovering hidden ecosystems and discovering new species that challenge our understanding of life on Earth. We explore the microscopic world, mapping the human genome and unlocking the secrets of our biology. The tools of exploration may have changed, evolving from antique compasses and telescopes to advanced scientific instruments, but the driving force remains the same: curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. As we stand on the precipice of new discoveries, let us remember the lessons of the past, embracing the spirit of exploration while remaining mindful of its potential consequences. The journey of exploration is endless, and its rewards are boundless.